I'm gonna cut this section off. I'll cut my new piece and start fitting that up. I have a Kia here. This one got T-boned right in the side and it destroyed this bottom part of the quarter panel, rocker panel area. This is real wadded up. Wheelhouse is folded up a little bit inside of here, and then it's smashed all throughout here up into this area. Luckily, Kia allows you to section this dogleg area in right in here. This is how you have to buy the part, however. You have to buy the whole quarter panel. It comes all the way down to here. So it's gonna get sectioned in right there and right here. Then I'm gonna repair this front part of it.
Today's episode is brought to you by my friends at RoadTech. RoadTech is a new innovative company that just won the SEMA Show 2024 Best New Tool Award. Guys, you don't have to pump anymore. All you have to do is you just push a button. It's really as simple as that. These are battery powered 20-volt e-jacks, and it works great if you don't have much space in your garage, you don't have space to swing a jack handle, or you're going way up underneath a vehicle and you barely have any swing with the jack handle. You could get these with big wheels, or they're also available with caster wheels, just depending on what surface you're working on. They also have long reach jacks, which is what you see me using right here to go way up underneath a vehicle. I'll be honest, guys, I will never use a traditional jack again. After using this, there's no way I can ever go back. Go to shoproadtech.com and get yours today.
So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna cut this section off, and then when I get that out of my way, I'll repair the wheelhouse, and I'll go ahead and repair this front section. Then I'll cut my new piece and start fitting that up and start fitting this one together. I'm gonna go ahead and mark this. I already measured this out. They have you measure 300 millimeters down from this hole, but I'm gonna cut this short to start with. I'm gonna cut here, then I'll trim it back, and same thing down here. All right, I have this new section sitting on here, and it's overlapping the existing on the car by about an inch or so. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna scribe this on the car, then I'll lift this back off and I'll trim out that last little section, and then I'll have a perfect cut. All right, I went ahead and sat these doors on here just to make sure everything's fitting properly, and it looks very good. So I'm gonna go ahead and lift these doors back off and get that rocker dog leg all primed up.
I murk. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I murk. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I murk. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I murk.